welcome here to my channel. I'm Johnson Calvin, and here today I'll be teaching you how to get your contacts well stored on Google. In case you lost your phone or you lost your system, whatever. Most of the people nowadays have been complaining of losing their contacts together with their phone. You got to say bye bye to that. No more losing of contacts. Stop losing your contacts. You know how bad it is to lose your contacts. So today I'm gonna show you the app how to store your contacts and save them properly. Even without your SIM card, you can still get your contacts well stored from the Google app. Here is the Google app contacts that will help you save your contacts properly. Here you can save it with your email and your password. You're good to go. Now just get this app from Play Store, Google Contacts. You will get it, Google Contacts. Here we're opening the app. Anytime you get this app on any phone, you can log in with your email and your password. You get your contact. Here are my contacts. Yeah, you can also label out your family, relative, school friends. I restored this contact from ITEL A11. My my ITEL A11 I lost with my SIM card and all the rest. So I restored it and I got my contact backs. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna take you to a contact to show you how it saves contacts. Yeah, show you how to save contact. It helps you save your contact more better. Like you save it with the address and other things. Here you can see it helps you save a contact with more full details. Here I save two contacts. Carlos Miller customer care phone line 1, and this is the office address, and you can see the website, and you can see the company name is Carlos Miller. So anytime you want to save your contact, you can save it on Google Contacts using the Google app. It's more better, more convenient, because anywhere you are you will always get your contacts at the tip of your hand. So you don't need to retrieve your SIM card because of your lost contacts. Even if you choose to, you don't need to be always looking for those number you lost. So stop losing your contacts. I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please never forget to subscribe. Also remember to hit the notification button, and always check on the notification when you get notified. I'll be uploading videos like this. I'll be always uploading videos like this on the channel. So every weekend I'll upload videos. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.